Hello, friends. Welcome to Sunshine Yoga. There is a saying, if your body is not right, the rest of your day will go all wrong. So, please take care of it. Because your health is the greatest possession. This is a 10 minutes yoga practice. Let's do it together. Sit down in any comfortable position with Namaskara Mudra. As we start, just lie down. Lie down and hug your right knee. Let's start with the rotation of ankle. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Give some time. Keep doing it. Now, release your leg and switch to the left leg. With both the hands, hug your knee and let the ankle rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. Release. Now, fold both the legs. With the support of your hands, take your right leg straight up and pull it towards yourself. If you want, you can give a gentle bend on your leg. Hold it. Feel the stress. Feel the stretch on your hamstring. Slowly release. Let's switch legs. Now take your left leg, hold it with both hands and pull it towards yourself. If you want, you can keep a gentle bend. Or if you can keep it straight. Feel the stretch. Slowly release the leg. Now, with the help of your hands, pull the legs towards your chest, your head up. Okay, stay there. Feel the stretch on your abdomen, the pressure. Now let's rock and roll. Forward and backward. Forward and backward. Forward, backward. Rock and roll. Keep doing it. Just lie down after the process for a few seconds. Now fold both the legs, hands straight and hip up and down. This is a very good exercise for your lower back. This is also called Setubandha Asana. With inhalation, take your hip up. Exhale. Come down. Inhale. Up. Exhale. Come down. Inhale. Up. Now, with the support of your hands, you can try to put it a little more up. Stay there, and with exhalation, come down. Relax yourself. Next, hands up over your head. Inhale, and with exhalation, come up. Go down. Inhale. Exhale. Very good exercise for your stomach. Up. Now let's stay here for a few counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax yourself. Relax your body. Now, turn yourself with your chest facing the ground. Hands back. Lock both the hands at the back, and you have to come up, look up and down. When you look up, inhale. With exhalation, down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Stay there, stay there. Very good for your back. Stay there. And come down. Relax. Now with the support of your hand, come to Sashankasana for some time and relax. This is also called the child's pose. Just relax for a while. Now come up. Next, few rounds of cat and camel. Hands and legs on the ground. With inhalation, arch your back and look up. With exhalation, come down. Inhale and look up. Exhale, arch your back, come down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, look up and exhale, look down. Inhale, look up, arch your back. Exhale, come down. Next, alternate hands and leg raising. Right hand, left leg, straight. With exhalation, squeeze inside. Try to touch the elbow to the knee. Stay there and squeeze in inside. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and relax. Let's switch the leg and the hand. Now left leg and right hand. Squeeze inside. Touch the knee to the elbow. Inhale with exhalation inside. Out. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Stay there and back. Relax for a while. Just relax yourself. We are almost done. You're almost done. You will gain strength, you will gain energy at the end of the session. Now let's do a few rounds of neck rotation. Okay? Right and left. Right and left. Slowly keep doing this. Forward and backward. Look up. Neck bending forward, look down and up. One more time. down, look up. Now, come to Namaskara Mudra. With inhalation, take your hands up. With exhalation, bring it down. Inhale, hands up. And exhale, down. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands down. Now as we come to the end of this session, take out some time to realize, to understand how beautiful it feels once you're done with this short yoga session. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. One more. Inhale and exhale. Relax the body, relax your thoughts. Now rub your palm, generate the head, give a massage to your face, and welcome your day. Thank you. Have a good day.